Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Another new product here for 2024. It is our window track cleaning and detailing brush. This long, slim brush, great for getting into tight areas, which of course means window tracks are in between window panes. Great for getting into any tight areas in your vehicle if you're doing vehicle detailing, or of course anywhere around the home where you need to get into areas where normal brushes won't get into. The distance from the front of the brush where the bristles start to where the bristles end is about 5 inches. The bristle length is a little bit over ½ inch. They're very stiff bristles and very close together. They're pretty strong too. You can put a lot of pressure. You can just hear the amount of force I'm putting on, just scrubbing here. The bristles are going to keep their shape pretty good for a good period of time, as opposed to other softer bristle brushes there, where if you put that much pressure there, the bristles would have just splayed out. This is a nice and rugged brush. Comes with this nice comfort grip handle. It's very light. Being slim, the way it is there, it's going to slip into a tool bag quite easily. It does have a hook on it if you want to hook it on your belt at all. So we are selling these either, if you just want to buy a single, we have them as singles, we have them as 3-packs, as well as 5-packs, so you can get a savings there. And like I said, they're great for window detailing around the tracks and whatnot, but of course great for the rest of the home too. So buying a few of these, you can just bring them home and use them at home, or of course give them to friends and other family members. So check it out, the window cleaning track brush, new from the windowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.